It is hot outside, and if turning on your oven feels like a personal attack, well, same. So I pulled together 15 recipes you probably did not even know you could make in your air fryer, and they are perfect for the summer. We are talking full dinners, snacks, desserts, even fresh bread. No oven, no sweat, just flavor. If you're looking for easy, delicious meals without heating up your whole kitchen, you're in the right place. My name is Kathy, and I empower air fryer owners to actually use their air fryer. Be sure to leave a comment below and tell me how many of these did you not even know about. Ready? See them? Let's go. This hot honey bowl is probably all over your feed, but I'm going to show you how you can make it even faster in your air fryer, of course. Start by dicing sweet potatoes into small cubes. The smaller, the faster they cook. You're going to throw these in the air fryer, mist on a little oil, sprinkle on a little salt, and air fry at 360 for about 12 minutes or until they are as roasted as you like them. And here's my next hack. During the last 6 minutes, you're going to throw in some Adele's chicken sausage, or you could use this brand from Costco. This is packed with protein and just way faster than worrying about ground beef. Boom, these are ready. You could always roast some extra vegetables if you want to. Put them in your bowl, add in the cottage cheese, your avocado, and top with that hot honey, and oh my, it's so good. This is the healthiest air fryer dessert you're going to make this summer. And if you've never air fried a peach, get ready to have your mind blown. Start with some ripe, juicy peaches, cut them in half and remove the pit, brush or spray them with oil if you want to, and place them in a hot air fryer. You're going to air fry at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are soft and golden. Optional if you want to rotate those halfway through cooking, you totally can. When they're done cooking, top them with a dollop of Greek yogurt and then finish it with your favorite crunchy granola and that warm peach and the cold yogurt and the crunch of the granola. It's basically sunshine in a bowl. You're not ready for this flavor bomb. This is how I make Mexican street corn without ever turning on the grill. If you've never air fried corn like this, you are seriously missing out. Start with your fresh corn on the cob, husked, washed, ready to go. Place it in the basket, lightly spray it with some oil, and then air fry at 400 for 8 to 10 minutes. Take it out of the air fryer and then brush it with some of this Primal Kitchen chipotle lime avocado oil mayonnaise. It's amazing. Then roll it in these delicious Mexican cheese crumbles. Sprinkle it with some lime zest and cilantro. It's creamy, tangy, just the right amount of kick. And yes, I already want another. Wait, you made pizza out of a sweet potato? Low carb, gluten-free, and it still tastes like pizza? Yes, and yes. This sweet potato pizza has changed the game. One sweet potato, that's all you need. Poke it, microwave it for 3 minutes. Just to power bake it, just to give it a head start. Air fry for 10 minutes at 380 degrees, then cut it in half, scoop the potato out of the skin, and then you're going to smash it in between parchment paper just like this. Suddenly, you've got a pizza crust. Air fry this at 400 for 12 minutes, flip it halfway, and now we pizza. Barbecue sauce, chicken, red onion, mozzarella, oregano, back in the air fryer, 380 for just 4 minutes. Crispy, cheesy, sweet, savory, it just works. Remember, I've got links to everything you need down in the description box below. Bacon, pineapple, air fryer. Need I say more? You got your salty, you got your sweet, you got your crispy. It's everything you want in one bite. Start by chopping a fresh pineapple into 1-inch chunks. For a little caramelized magic, roll them in brown sugar. Totally optional, but worth it. Cut your bacon strips in half and wrap each piece around the pineapple. Secure it with a toothpick so it doesn't get wild. Place them in a single layer in the air fryer. P.S. Parchment paper makes cleanup a lot easier. Air fry at 400 for 10 minutes, flipping halfway through for even crispiness. That crispy bacon and pineapple combination is unreal. These disappear fast, so make some extra. You've been warned. Someone told me you cannot make a good steak in the air fryer, so I made this one to prove them wrong. This steak, no grill, no sweat, just 10 minutes in the air fryer. And honestly, this steak is proof that your air fryer can do everything. Start with a nice thick steak, and you can let them sit at room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes. Pat it nice and dry, and then lightly spray it with some oil and season all the sides with some salt. Preheat your air fryer as high as it can go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Now place your steak right in the basket and air fry at 400 for 6 minutes. minutes. And then it's time to flip it and rotate it, and you're going to cook it for 4 to 10 more minutes, depending on how well done or rare you like your steak. I'm pulling mine out at about 138 degrees and letting it rest. I made this amazing herby butter that's just going to melt right over the top of it. The juices settle, and it's magic. You don't have to have a grill to get this. You just need your air fryer. This is what I make when I don't feel like cooking anything, but I want a real meal. You can air fry burgers and fries at the same time, and I call this one my no plan, no stress dinner. Just pop your frozen patty on one side of the basket and your frozen fries on the other side. Air fry these at 380 for 15 minutes. Flip the patty and shake the fries halfway through. Now here's my magic trick. If you want cheese on your patty, when your burger is done cooking, throw some cheese right on top and then close the air fryer. Do not turn it back on. Just let it sit there for about 2 minutes, and then you have perfect gooey melted cheese. And then my extra special hack is to toast your buns right in the air fryer. Just mist them with a little oil, run the air fryer at that same 380 for 3 more minutes. Then you just build your burger, plate those crispy fries, and just like that, dinner is done. It's fast, it's simple, and everyone actually eats it. Speaking of burgers, this next recipe is going to ruin regular bacon for you. You just need 3 ingredients, 10 minutes, and you get 0 stovetop mess. Start with brown sugar and a pinch of black pepper and just mix them together on a plate. Now you're going to press your thick cut bacon into that mix so both sides are coated in a caramely goodness. Place it in a single layer on parchment paper. That's going to save your bacon, no pun intended, but trust me, the parchment paper makes cleanup way easier. Air fry at 380 for 10 minutes until it's sizzling, and then you're going to let it rest and let it cool down for a few minutes. That's when the caramelizing will start to harden and turns it into some bacon candy pretty much. If you've got 5 minutes and a tomato, then you've got to make this. These went viral for a reason, and this is my air fryer twist. Thick slice your tomato, a 1/4 inch works best. Spray it lightly with oil, load it up with some Parmesan and mozzarella, salt and pepper, and then air fry at 400 for 3 minutes. Top it with some fresh basil, and that's it. So much flavor, so delicious, and a fun way to enjoy those garden fresh tomatoes. This is how you make comfort food in the middle of summer without melting. It's lazy lasagna, air fryer only, and no regrets. Layer frozen ravioli right into the air fryer basket. No boiling, no baking, no extra pans. Pour the marinara on until it's fully coated. Don't be stingy. This sauce is what's going to help cook it through. Add mozzarella, Parmesan, and this is where things get serious. Top with some more ravioli, more sauce. You know the drill. Air fry at 350 for 25 minutes. You get bubbling, layered goodness without heating up your whole kitchen. We're going to top it with some more cheese and let it sit for 3 more minutes so it just melts inside the air fryer without flying around. Add some fresh basil if you're feeling fancy, or just dig on in. This is your sign to not overcomplicate dinner. Steak, potatoes, 1 air fryer basket, cube your butter and melt it with the garlic. Then you're going to add rosemary, oregano, salt, and pepper. Mix it till it's well combined. Then chop your potatoes into cubes and pour all that butter all over your potatoes. You're going to air fry these at 380 for 10 minutes. Now the steak, toss it in the rest of your butter, throw it in the air fryer, and give it about 5 to 6 minutes. You got crispy, juicy, done steak and potatoes. This air fryer bread hack just saved me 90 minutes, and my kitchen is not a sauna. Make up your favorite no-knead peasant bread recipe. I've got mine down in the description. And then preheat your air fryer at 250 for about 3 minutes just to warm it up. Put your ball of dough right inside the air fryer liner, place it right into the basket, and close the air fryer. Don't turn it on because your bread is now proofing right inside that nice warm air fryer. When the dough has doubled, you're going to go ahead and pull it out and oil up your hands, and then just start tucking that dough, rolling it and shaping it into a nice little ball. Then you're going to preheat your air fryer at 400. Place your dough ball back into the parchment paper, which will go back into the air fryer basket. And again, just let it sit in there for a couple minutes, then pop it in the air fryer, set it to 350 degrees, and you're going to air fry for 18 to 20 minutes. Make sure you let this cool down and rest before you slice into it. And you are welcome. You just saved yourself an hour and a half, no oven, no long rise, fresh warm bread in half the time. I made s'mores in the air fryer and I'm never looking back. Break your graham crackers in half, place 4 squares in the basket, Snip the marshmallows with your kitchen scissors. It helps them stick. Air fry at 370 for 3 minutes, and now you will see some nice gooey marshmallows. Now press on some chocolate, top it with your second graham cracker, and air fry for about 1 more minute so it all melts together. Ooh, tell me this is not better than the campfire version. No oven, no mess, just warm peach cobbler in 20 minutes. Start by draining your canned fruit. I'm choosing peaches and pears, and then mix up your boxed cake batter. Nothing fancy. Lightly oil 4 ramekins, and you're going to build your cobbler. A little batter, some fruit, and then more batter to cover it. Pop in the air fryer at 320 for 10 minutes. If they're starting to get too brown, cover it with foil and give it 10 more minutes until it's golden and cooked through. Let it sit to cool slightly, and then top it with some whipped cream or ice cream, maybe even powdered sugar. It's warm, soft, sweet, and you did not even turn on the oven. In this video, my viewers picked their top favorite air fryer recipes. I made them all right here. And right here, I've got my free air fryer tips and tricks download, plus the best internal temperatures to cook your food too. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.